Hello there and welcome to my channel. My name is Molly and here we do sewing, crafts, and fun. We are 6 months away from Halloween and I need something that's going to get me through that long wait. I've decided I need like a little friend, a tiny spooky guy to fill my heart until it is spooky time. Today we are going to make a little model ghost. I'm gonna take you to my sketchbook so I can kind of show you what I'm thinking about doing. Over here I have my doodle book where I just draw things, and we are going to put together what I think we're gonna do for our little ghosty friend. So basically what I want to do is get a little piece of fabric and put it over a styrofoam ball, draw a ghost face on top, and then we'll put that into like a round of wood so that it can look woodsy and northwesty and cute. And this is kind of what I am thinking. Very quick sketch here. I'm gonna have to go chop up some wood in order to get us started, so I'm gonna go do that. So we are going to sand this little loggy that I just went over to my godfather's house and cut so that we have a nice sturdy base. It's a little bit wobbly and Papa is helping me.
So this is down?
Yeah, that's good. This is a double pointed knitting needle and that's about the diameter. Dad, is this a drill or is this like old dental equipment?
No, this is
yeah.
This is a drill press.
For some reason I thought this was like an old dental drilling thingy.
No, this was your grandfather Don's.
Oh, that's cool. I did not know that.
You got this from Sears Roebuck.
Back when it was Sears Roebuck.
Back when it was Sears Roebuck. Where's your pen?
Oh, here you are. It looks the same.
Okay.
So I forgot to talk to the camera in this part, so we're gonna do a voiceover. But I inserted this little styrofoam ball on the top to be the head, and then cut a circle out of this white t-shirt. Do some quick surgery here because I did stab all the way through my ping pong ball. It didn't have to be an exact circle. We were going for messy, something that I don't usually strive for, but often end up doing anyway. So I applied a thin layer of glue on the top of the styrofoam ball in order to hold down the fabric that would make up his little body. I used a regular black marker to draw on some eyes. They're kind of like South Park shaped eyes. And I also gave him a little smile. To get the fabric to lie flat against the face, we did another little dab of and applied a little bit of blush. I personally like wearing too much blush, and my ghost was in the same boat. Rosy-cheeked little lad. I just realized I haven't filmed a wrap up yet. I gotta go get my little guy. Okay, here he is. I love him. I love him so much. He's so cute. He's so cute. Turned out great. I'm really happy. Definitely I'm gonna make more of these, and next time I do it, I need a less sappy piece of wood. If you look at this log, all these bumps are little bubbles of sap, and every time I broke one of them or cut into it, it got real sticky everywhere. I ended up putting a little bit of oil onto the base, and I think that gave it a nice look as opposed to this sort of raw. It's a little bit darker. His little face, I love the weathering on him, and I cannot wait to make more of these little guys. I might set up a Etsy shop or something and try and sell a couple of these. If you have any interest in that, please let me know. They would not be expensive. Just as something fun to do. Feel free to subscribe if you want to see more. If you like the video, feel free to give it a like. Be brave and do your best.